allow me to show you one reason why you should buy our products. Yes, I know some of you complain of how our products are costly, even though I know that our prices are nothing compared to the kind of work we put on to produce quality products for you. But hold on quickly, let me show you something. So take a look at this gorgeous looking slippers, right? They look gorgeous. Take a look at them. It's not been worn. I bought it in Ariaria market for a very cheap price. But I want to show you the difference between this and our product. Take a look. Gorgeous. Now let's do this experiment. Did you see that? I don't need any muscle to pull this out. Do you need me to continue pulling it? Look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Should I go on? Now let me show you another one. Now take a look at this product. It's old, right? I've worn this for up to 3 years now. Look at, it's looking old already, like you can see. Now let's try and pull this. Okay. See guys, I'll need I'll need some help. But can I even risk? Okay. I'm making use of this. I'm damaging these whole slippers for this experiment. But no wala. Can you see that? I've tried to loosen it up a bit here. Can you see? Now let's try. Jesus! I'll see. Let me see if this can help me too. My hand don't depend me safe. I'm not supposed to do this thing without. See guys, I don't need I don't need, see I'm sweating. I don't need to prove anything to you anymore. Slippers that I've worn for up to 3 years now. Look at that. It's still looking strong. Can you see that? Can you see the difference? Now let me show you another one. See, I'm showing you old slippers. Now, if some of you are following me on my YouTube channel, you know that these slippers, you'll be familiar with these slippers. If you're following me on my YouTube channel, go to my YouTube channel. You will see when I made this. I've worn the slippers like consistently for 2 years. Look at, the leathers are old. I just went to where I packed it and brought it out. I can't even find I can't even find one of the slippers. I wanted to make use of the sole because the sole is still like in good shape. But look at this. The leather, the synthetic leather I use is already old, but look at the gum, the bond is still strong. Guys, see. See, are you seeing in Unanafo? Can you see that? I can't even lose this like easily like that. Like I have to sweat. I have to sweat. See guys, I'm showing you all working. Look at that. I have to make use of my plier. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing now. Can you see? I'm not sure. Do you see how difficult this thing is for me to lose? Are you seeing? Like I've won, rain don't beat me shaggy with these slippers. Look at it now, it's already old. But can you see how difficult it is for me to loosen this up? I will show you another one. Also, if you've been following my YouTube channel, you'll be familiar with this. This sole, I use it to revamp. Oh my God, I'm sweating. Take a look at that. Can you see? This is what we offer you at Lots. See, you can't easily, they don't burn you. They never burn you, make you use just your hand. See, shit. They never burn you, make you use only your hand to pull this slippers. See now. Can you see that? Did you see how easily it was for me to loosen this? I don't need to sweat. Now look at it. Again, I'll try to make use of my plier. Shit. Ah. Guys, I'm tired. Oh God. Omo. Oga, you strong, oh. Which kind thing be this one? Chinekele. You guys see with the fan on, I'm still sweating. Jesus. If you make a mistake, like and coupled the footwear wrongly, that's it. You will sweat, like you will sweat before you will be able to pull it off and repair it. With what I've showed you now, right? If I give you these slippers for 1K, right? And I give you this one for 8K, which one will you collect? No, be sincere. If I give you this one for 1K and I give you this one for 8K, which one will you collect? Will you prefer to collect this for 1K? You just wear it like 2 or 3 times and the thing will pull out. Or you have to go to Aboki and do dua dua around it. Which one will you prefer? Or you wear this one, you buy this one, wear it for 2 to 3 years or even more, depending on how you handle it, and it's still serving you without having to embarrass you on the way. I will allow you be the judge of that. So tell me in the comment section which of these you would like to go for. Thank you.